Good afternoon, Brian. It's Hein from Wayne Phillips Ford in Christie's Beach. Thank you so much for your inquiry on our 2016 Holden Commodore SV6 Black Edition. Just a quick video to show you around the vehicle so you can get a good idea of the general condition of the vehicle, of the paint on the vehicle. Vehicle's just passed our mechanical and safety inspection with flying colors, no accidents reported, no mechanical problems reported at all. So there's a couple of little cosmetic things that we'll still take care of for you, but other than that, mechanically and safety wise, this vehicle is in magnificent condition. Just try and give you the best possible view of all the angles on the paint on the vehicle as well. There we go. I'll open the bonnet for us as well, just have a good look up there on the roof as well. If you bear with me, it's just complaining because I opened the bonnet while the engine's running. So just a quick view of the driver and passenger seats. All the books are there, every service stamped in the book as well. Hopefully you can hear that the engine's running. I'll just point in there so you can see the belts are going. Engine just idling away there. Hope that this gives you a good idea on what the engine sounds like. I'll be quiet for a minute. There we go. Quickly going to the inside. Just there, quickly look at the blind spot monitoring. Obviously the heads-up display, satellite navigation, reversing camera, and your dual zone climate control. Just turn that fan up for us a bit. Vehicle's done 62,831 kilometers, all done. The service is done, everything done on the car. As I mentioned before, the safety inspection's done. Vehicle comes with 2 keys. From what I can see in the book, it's had 2 owners. So all the books, everything's there. If you need any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thanks once again.